it's me, teacher Guilherme from Demarque, and today we're having a cooking class. So today we're going to make pancakes, banana pancakes. And this recipe is very special to celebrate the Easter. So we're going to make bunny pancakes. For the ingredients, we are going to use strawberry, sugar, bananas, whipping cream, some milk, and chocolate. We're also going to need a bowl, a measuring cup, some spoons, some flour, some baking powder, and 2 eggs. Step number 1. We're going to take out strawberry and clean them. So the first thing is, put your strawberries in a bowl and put them under water. And then, by using a knife, you take 1 strawberry and take off the crop of it. You see? And put in another bowl. To help you cut these strawberries, ask for help for your mother, your father, or any relative you have at home. Once you have cut all the strawberries, put them on a bowl and reserve. So now to make the pancake, we're going to need 2 eggs, 1 egg, 2 eggs. Now, pick the sugar and put a half cup of sugar. Now, you put the sugar in the bowl. And by using a fork, you mix them. Now, by using your measure cup and your milk, let's add a half cup of milk. And mix again. Now we add a half cup of flour into the bowl. Add into the bowl and mix again. And finally, 1 spoon of baking powder, just a little bit. Add into the bowl and mix it again. And here we have our pancake batter. Now, to make it a banana pancake, we're going to use 2 bananas for the batter. Now that we have our bananas, we're going to peel off the banana. By using a knife, again, you can ask for help for your mother or your father or a friend. Cut the banana into parts. Now that we have our banana cut, let's use a fork to smash it. Once you have mashed your bananas, let's put them in a bowl. Now that you have your mashed bananas, let's add them into your pancakes. And you mix them again. Now let's make some pancakes. Now let's turn on the heat on your oven and add 1 spoon of butter. Now it's time to flip your pancakes. Now that we have our pancakes, let's decorate them. To make my decoration, I'm going to use some bananas, chocolate, and whipping cream. So I'll show you how to prepare the whipping cream first. Now that we have our pancakes and now a decoration, like our whipped cream or bananas, let's decorate into bunny. So here we have our banana pancakes. So if you like this recipe, give a thumbs up in this video, right? And remember, take a picture of the recipe and send to us. So happy Easter! I'll see you on the next one.